హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈ రోజు మనకు కొన్ని బ్యూటిఫుల్ డిజైనర్ ట్రెండీ కలెక్షన్ అండి. ఈ కలెక్షన్ అంతా మనం చూడబోతున్నాము ఫ్రమ్ ది బాంబే కలెక్షన్. ఈ రోజు కలెక్షన్ చాలా బాగున్నాయండి. అలాగే ప్రైస్ కూడా బెస్ట్ ప్రైస్లో ఉన్నాయి. క్వాలిటీ ప్రీమియం క్వాలిటీలో ఉన్నాయి. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే ట్రై చేయండి. యూనిక్ పీసెస్ అనమాట. బయట దొరికిన కలెక్షన్ చాలా అయితే చూపించాము. స్కిప్ చేయకుండా లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి. అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. సో షాపు అడ్రస్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా విజిట్ చేయాలంటే అపాయింట్మెంట్ తీసుకుని విజిట్ చేయొచ్చు. అలాగే మీరు ఆన్లైన్లో పర్చేజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ వీడియోలో చెప్పాము. ప్రైస్ మెన్షన్ చేసాము, సైజెస్ మెన్షన్ చేసాము. కలెక్షన్ అయితే కనుక అన్ని లేటెస్ట్ కలెక్షన్ అండి. నచ్చినట్టయితే ట్రై చేయండి. ప్రతి పీస్ యూనిక్గా ఉందండి. ఫ్రీ షిప్పింగ్ లో కూడా ఉందన్నమాట. ఇంక లేట్ చేయకుండా కలెక్షన్ విత్ ప్రైస్ చూసేద్దాం.
So hi guys, this is Jagrit Kalra from Bombay Collection Private Limited, and we are specially shooting this episode for Shri Devi Thinking Flavors. And to order process is going to be very simple. You simply have to take the screenshot of the article and send us over the WhatsApp number which is mentioned over the video. You simply have to take the screenshot again and हमें जो है हमारे नंबर पे आप simply भेज सकते हैं and you can grab the articles. COD की facility available नहीं है, but free shipping is going to be available across India. You will be getting your article freely shipped to your doorstep. And again, prepaid, all the payments are acceptable: bank transfer, Paytm, PhonePe. And we'll be showcasing you our collection, which actually includes cord sets and 3-piece designer articles. So let's start the video without wasting the time. So this is going to be the first article which we are currently showing you. The fabric for this one is going to be Modal Chanderi. And if you focus on the yoke line पे आपको बहुत सारे जो है buttons का काम मिल जाएगा. And again you can see the pearl detailing over the shirt. Pants are going to look like this for this one. And again, to hang these pants, for in every pant you're gonna get these sweet tassels attached as well, so you can hang your pants over the doors as well if you want. The sizes available in this one is going to be again 42 and 44, and price range for this one is going to be 1495. You can find all the fabric and prices detail in the left corner again to check. Then second article is going to be this one. This is like a kurta plazo set. The fabric for this one is again modal muslin. The plazo for this one is going to look like this. This is like a digital modal muslin print. The sizes available are 40 to 44, and the price range is going to be 1295 only for this article. Again, we are providing free shipping across India, so you simply have to take the screenshot and provide us over WhatsApp. The next article which we are showcasing you, the fabric for this one is again modal silk. You can see the whole handwork, embroidery work done over this. Sleeves are going to look like this. Collar neck is again going to look like this. Pants again for this one are going to look like this with the full thread embroidery done to the part. And the sizes which is available is 44 only, and price range again 1495 for this article. Next article which we are showcasing is again a kurti pant set, 2-piece set. If you focus on the yoke line, you can see fully covered v-neck, which is again covered like this with the again sweet crochet lacing done to the part. Sleeves are going to look like this with the organza patch attached to it. This is like a cotton mull fabric, and the cotton mull fabric and crochet lacing done again on the hem part. Pants are going to look like this for this one. The pants are also going to get a patch of crochet lacing to the end part. Again, fabric is cotton mull. Sizes are 38 to 44. Please send the sizes numerically whichever you want to order, and article price is going to be 1295, 1295 only. Then next article is going to be this one. You can see this is like a pure proper party wear set Diwali. The fabric for this one is going to be rayon jacquard, and the color is a yellowish tone, mustard tone. Bell sleeves you're gonna get in this one, and this is like a fully embroidery patch done to the whole shirt over the bell sleeves as well. Pants for this one are again going to look like this. You're gonna get a patch to the end part of the pants, and size is available 38 to 44. Price range is going to be only 995 with free shipping across India. Next article is going to be in this one, black color. The fabric for this one is pure rayon fabric, and you're gonna get sleeves which are going to get like a full cut over sleeves pattern again with thread embroidery of the flower, a sweet crochet lacing on the yoke part, and hem part you're gonna get this flower patch. The color is black, and the pants are going to be Afghani, and pants are going to look like this, the Afghani with full gatherings. Size is 38 to 44, price range 1395 only for this article. Again, take a screenshot and send us over WhatsApp if you want to order. Next article is this one, maroon color article, contrast of red, maroon, and a light red color. The fabric is again modal chanderi for this one. You wanna get a handwork over the shirt part, and again handwork over the collar part. The pants are going to look like this for this one. Again, and the sizes are available is 40 and 44. Price range again 1495 only. Next article is going to look like this. The fabric for this one is going to be pure muslin. You're gonna get a full contrast shade of pink, sky blue, a dark blue, navy blue colors, and the sleeves are going to look like this with crochet lacing done over it, and yoke part again with the buttons attached and crochet lacing. The hem part consists of this organza patch with the sweet handwork of pearl detailing done over it, and जो पैंट्स इसकी कुछ इस तरीके से आने वाली है. पैंट्स पे भी आपको अगेन क्रोशिया की लेसिंग मिल जाएगी. फैब्रिक जो इसका होने वाला है प्योर मसलिन होने वाला है, and size is 38 to 44 available, which is M to XXL again, and price range is going to be 1495 for this article. Next article, rayon slub जो है इसका फैब्रिक होगा. Again this is going to come in this green color. You gonna get this thread embroidery done over the yoke part. Sleeves are going to look like this. This is like a sweet apple cut design, and again the pants are going to look like this. You gonna get a full lacing of flower done to the pants both sides. Size is 38 to 44 and price range 995 only. Take a screenshot and send us over WhatsApp. Next article, this is our super hit trending article. The fabric for this one is going to be viscose georgette again, and you're gonna get a digital flower work done over the shirt part, and you also going to get an inner to wear inside this. This consists of a divider set. So divider is going to look like this. Fabric of divider is rayon, and you're gonna get a viscose georgette patch at the end of the divider. Size is 38 to 42, which is M to XL, and the price range is going to be 1695 1695. Again, the prices will be flashed over the screen, so you can have a look over there as well. Tadupari Vyasam Untundi, this sweet black article is going to be on imported fabric of cotton, and you're gonna get a nylon again threads attached to the sleeves part, and same over the yoke part with false coin work, and over the shirt pocket you can check a lady with like a hair attached as well, and same this is like a scooter print cord shirt. The color for this one is going to be black, and the sizes available are 40 to 44, and price range is going to be 1595 only for this article. Again, this comes with black pants, and then again next the article is black one. The sleeves are gonna get this organza patch attached, and it's gonna get like a Afghani pants attached, Afghani pants as well over this. This is like again a kurti Afghani pant set, and you're gonna get over the hem part, you're gonna get this organza patch, and over the yoke part if you focus you'll get the false like plastic shells attached as well. And the sizes available in this one is 38 to 42, and the price range is going to be 1595 only for this article. Right now we are showing you our full cord set collection, and then we'll be switching over to the three-piece suits article as well. Next article is going to be over this modal silk fabric. You can see again the nylon thread and silver coin work, and the yoke part you can see like a lady handwork done as well over the hem part as well. The pants are again going to look like this. Same color pants are going to come, and the fabric again we have told as well. You can also check the fabric in the left corner. The size available is 42 only, and price range is going to be 1295. Next article is going to be this one. This has like a sweet thread embroidery of parrot, so this actually stands out in the way itself only, and the cord set is going to look like this. Pants are going to come in this color, and the size available is 40 only, which is L size, and price range is going to be 1495 again. Next article which we are showing is going to be this one, blue color article, and the fabric again is going to be modal rayon, and the pants are going to look like this for this one. And again only size remaining is L, which is 40, and price range is going to be 995 only. Next we are showcasing you our chignon article. If we focus on the yoke part, you can see like a false diamond work done over it. You're gonna get a pant plazo again with these, which is going to look like this. The plazo is going to look like this. This is like a pink peach color, and the sizes available in this one is XL and XXL, which is 42 and 44, and price range is going to be 1995 for this article. Next article is going to be this one. Again the fabric for this one is going to be muslin silk. You're gonna get like a thread embroidery attached as well, then a pearl button detailing, and the pants are going to look like this with like a full thread embroidery done again. The size available 44, and price range is going to be 1395. Next article, this sweet matki cord set design. The fabric for this one is going to be again imported cotton. You can find a full thread embroidery done over the shirt part, and the pants are going to be again same color. Also shell accessories, you can find the shell accessories attached over here, and the sizes available are 40 to 46. Yes, 46 is also available. Plus size ladies can also order this. Price range 14.95. Next article is going to be this one. This fabric for this one is cotton mull, and the sleeves are going to look like this. These are like a designer fish cut sleeves. The fabric is cotton mull, and the color you can see, this is like a pink contrast color, like a tie-dye concept, and you can find like flower buttons attached as well over this part. The pants are going to look like this, and with like the pants are also going to get a fish cut. You can see like this type of cut at the end, and again sizes 38 to 44, price range 14.95. Last article for the corset segment, this is like a forest print article. If you focus on the yoke part, you guys can find like a real mirror work done attached to it with the pearls work. Shirt is going to get like a patch like this, and the pants are going to look like this for this one. Afghani pants are going to come, and the size is available 38 to 44, which is M2 XXL again, and the price range is going to be 17.95 for this article. So now we are starting with our 3-piece article segment. This first article is going to look like this. You over the hem part you can find like a Raja Rani concept, handwork fully done over it. The fabric for this one is Roman silk, and you are going to get a butter crepe lining inside it. Yoke part pe you can easily get the coins and nylon lacing attached. Again the dupatta is going to look like this for this one, multicolored dupatta, and the pants are going to be this Afghani pants, which is going to look like this. Again Afghani pants ke bottom part pe you gonna get this type of a nylon lacing. The sizes are M2 XXL, and the price range is 14.95, 14.95. Next article is going to be this pure muslin article. This is like a pure viscose muslin article. You are going to get a cotton mull lining inside it. This is like a contrast of yellow, red and sky blue color. Over the yoke part you can find like a handwork done to it. The dupatta is going to be chiffon dupatta with a muslin border attached again. The pants are again going to be a viscose muslin only. The sizes available are 38 to 44, M2 XXL, and the price range is going to be 19.95. Next article is going to be this one. This is like a silk shifli concept, and you are going to get a cotton mull lining attached inside it. The color is dark maroon. Lucknowi pattern embroidery is done over the yoke part with multicolor flower work, and the sleeves are fully scalped. Again the dupatta is very different and elegant for this one. It is going to look like this. This is like a digital print full dupatta. It is going to look like this, and the pants are going to look like this, and you are going to get a shifli pattern again attached on the pants end part. Size availability M2 XXL, and price range is 2000 only, 19.95. The next article is going to be this one. This is like a full anarkali ghera type set, and the dupatta is going to look like this for this one. The fabric for dupatta is cotton, and the anarkali fabric is rayon. Again rayon की ही pants आने वाली हैं. Yoke part पे if you focus, you are going to get a piping work and a thread embroidery work again done to it. The size available is M2 XXL, and price range is going to be 15.95, 15.95. Next article is going to be this one. This is like a sleeveless article, but you are going to get sleeves inside as well if you want to get attached. This comes with like a tie mirror work concept done. These are like a real mirror work, and the dupatta is going to look like this. A two-tone dupatta is going to come, which is like a cream and wine color mixture. Pants again are going to look like this in this one, and you are going to get a patch underneath these pants of again modal rayon fabric only. Size is available L2 XXL, and price range is going to be 13.95. Next article is going to be this one. The fabric for this one is a Roman silk, and this is going to get a like full crochet lacing, crossover lacing with organza patch detailing done to it. Yoke part has Lucknowi embroidery, and the good part about this is like these are going to get designer pants which has like a organza patch attached at the end part, and again full Lucknowi thread embroidery dupatta. Size available 40 to 44, price range 18.50. Size available again L2 XXL, 40 to 44. So L is like 40 and XXL is 44. Then next article is this beautiful organza article. This has like a cotton mull lining with full flower work done to it. Pants again, the fabric for pants is going to be silk, and dupatta is going to look like this for this one. At dupatta end part you can find all these like full flower detail work done to it. Organza fabric hone wala hai, and size is L to XXL and price range is going to be 1995. Next article is going to be on chinon fabric. This is like a chinon full ghera anarkali article. You are going to get the linings till the end part of this chinon article. योक लाइन पे अगर आप फोकस करेंगे तो आप लोग को बहुत ही प्यारा जो है हैंड का वर्क मिल जाएगा अगेन. एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू कम विद लाइक अ शिफॉन दुपट्टा with sweet tassels attached to all the dupatta border. Again the pants are going to be on shantoon fabric and size available is 44 only, which is XXL, and price range is going to be 2195. Next article again over the chinon segment. This is going to be on the alia cut pattern with full sleeves. Over the sleeves part you are going to get this gota patti lacing with this alia cut design. मेहंदी कलर की जो है इसकी पैंट्स आने वाली हैं कॉन्ट्रास्ट के अंदर. एंड अगेन सेम ही जो है इस कलर का दुपट्टा मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को इसके साथ. साइज अवेलेबल जो इसके अंदर होगा दैट इज XL and XXL and price range is going to be 2195 again. Then this article, this is like a blue color chinon article. Side slit मिल जाएगी naira cut types, and this is over the alia cut pattern. Dupatta is going to look like this, chiffon dupatta with full sequence buta work over it. And the pants are again going to be this one, shantoon silk की pants होने वाली हैं. Size available L, XL, XXL and price range is going to be 2195 only. Next article is going to be this one. This is going to get like a full sleeve चूड़ीदार sleeves pattern. Yoke part पे if you focus you are going to get a full hand work and pearl detailing work. And again chiffon dupatta which is going to look like this with full sequence lacing done to it. And this is how it is going to look over this part. And the pants are going to be this one with like a Afghani pant pattern, shantoon silk pattern again, and fabric for this one is chinon, alia cut pattern with full sleeves, and size available XL and XXL and price range is going to be 2195. Next article is again chinon article, yellow color, different yellow color with like a mixture of contrast of yellow and mustard. And it is going to get a full end part lining with like a naira cut and alia cut design. The dupatta is going to look like this for this one with full detail gota patti lacing. And yoke part पे अगर आप देखोगे तो बहुत ही प्यारा जो है हैंड का वर्क किया गया है. पैंट्स इसकी अगेन दुपट्टे के कॉन्ट्रास्ट पे ही आने वाली है. साइज अवेलेबल M to XXL and price range is going to be 2395. Next article again chinon article. The color is wine color and alia cut pattern में आएगा again. And जो pants इसकी होंगी is going to look like this. Wine color में pants आएंगी shantoon silk की ही. And dupatta is going to look like this with like a full sequence detail dupatta. Size is available M to XXL and price range is going to be 1995. Next article is in like a Persian silk article. This is again like a mixture of wine color. The fabric is Persian silk and you are going to get a butter crepe lining inside it. योक पार्ट पे अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो एक फ्लावर का जो है डिजिटल फ्लावर का वर्क मिल जाएगा. दुपट्टा इसका फुल्ली एम्ब्रॉयडरी दुपट्टा आएगा फ्लावर का, फुल्ली स्कैल्प दुपट्टा विद टेसल्स अटैच्ड. पैंट्स पे भी अगर आप देखोगे तो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट लाइक अ फुल्ली डिटेल्ड वर्क ऑन पैंट्स एज वेल, मल्टी फ्लावर के वर्क के साथ. साइज अवेलेबिलिटी L to XXL and price range is going to be 1895. Next article again chinon article, alia cut pattern again with chudidar sleeves. If you focus on the yoke part you are going to get this real mirror hand work done. Pants जो होंगी again shantoon silk की आने वाली हैं, which is going to look like this गोटा पत्ती की लेसिंग के साथ. And दुपट्टा जो इसका आएगा again fully sequence का दुपट्टा आएगा, which is going to look like this. And size available M to XXL and price range again 2195 for this article. If you like any article guys simply take the screenshot and हमें WhatsApp कर दीजिए. हम लोगों की कम्युनिटी भी है, यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन आवर कम्युनिटी लिंक, जो है आपको लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल इज गोइंग टू बी अगेन ऑन रोग सिल्क. द कलर इज अगेन लाइक अ वाइन मिक्सचर कलर. यू आर गोइंग टू गेट लाइक अ बटर क्रेप लाइनिंग इनसाइड इट. फुल्ली जो है जरी का काम मिल जाएगा आपको. एंड दुपट्टा इसका कुछ इस तरीके से दिखेगा. एंड अगेन पैंट्स इज गोइंग टू बी ऑन रोग सिल्क ओनली विद फुल लाइनिंग इनसाइड पैंट्स एज वेल. Single article available which is L size and price range is going to be 1695, 1695. Next article, red color, which comes with like a Banarsi silk dupatta, and yoke part पे if you focus yoke part पे you are getting like a pearl detailing over the whole yoke part and the suit as well. पैंट जो होंगी इसकी कुछ इस तरीके से आने वाली हैं, which is going to look like this. Size availability M to XXL and price range is going to be 1900. Next article is going to be this one. If you focus on the yoke part, आपको जो है पूरा इसके ऊपर हैंड का जो है एंड तक वर्क मिल जाएगा. कॉन्ट्रास्ट के इनके साथ दुपट्टे आने वाले हैं एंड जो पैंट्स इसकी होंगी इट इज गोइंग टू लुक लाइक दिस. पैंट्स के एंड पार्ट पे भी यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ फुल डिटेल ऑर्गेन्जा पैच. साइज अवेलेबिलिटी L size, which is 40 size available only. Price range 1595. Next article, again same pattern but different color. L size availability 1595. Price, the fabric is Roman silk. Next article is going to be this one. This is like a modal rayon fabric and आलिया कट pattern is going to be there and the sleeves हैं इसकी इस तरीके से कोटा पत्ती की डिटेलिंग के साथ आ जाएंगी. You are going to get like a Roman silk pants with full detail lining inside it, and dupatta again is going to look like this for this one. Size availability M to XXL and price range is going to be 1295, 1295 for this article. Next article is going to be in this pure muslin fabric. So this is like a triple tone. This is like a triple tone suit. So you are going to get like a pink, blue, and grayish tone over this. And yoke part, if you focus, you are going to get a detailed zari line with like a flower work again done to the yoke part. The pants are going on the Roman silk fabric, and again you are going to get this digital tone dupatta, which is going to look like this. एंड अगेन जो है नीचे आपको लाइनिंग मिल जाएगी बटर क्रेप की इसके साथ. एंड M to XXL साइज अवेलेबल है एंड प्राइस रेंज इज गोइंग टू बी 1495 ओनली. नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल इज गोइंग टू बी दिस वन. ब्लैक कलर का आर्टिकल आएगा एंड दुपट्टा इज गोइंग टू लुक लाइक दिस. डिजिटली ऑर्गेन्जा का दुपट्टा आएगा. योक पार्ट पे इफ यू फोकस अगेन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ फुल हैंड वर्क डिटेलिंग डन टू द योक पार्ट. साइज अवेलेबिलिटी M to XXL एंड प्राइस रेंज इज गोइंग टू बी 1895 फॉर दिस आर्टिकल. The dupatta again is very elegant for this one. Digital toned organza dupatta is going to be there. Next article is going to be on this pure muslin fabric and आप लोगों को नीचे जो है cotton मल की lining मिल जाएगी साथ में. Dupatta is again very elegant, super elegant dupatta which is on organza base. Fully thread embroidery dupatta is there. Yoke part पे if you focus you are going to again get a thread embroidery. And pants again pure muslin, viscose muslin fabric होने वाला है इसका. And size availability M to XXL and price range is going to be 1995 for this article. Next, this is like a super hit design. The dupatta is very elegant for this one. Again, black color organza, fully sequence. The 3D geometric dupatta is going to be there. Again, if you focus on the yoke line, you are going to get like a multi-flower work. The fabric for this one is weaving silk, and pants again is going to be this one of full weaving silk. Size availability L to XXL and price range is going to be 1595 for this one. Next again this is like a straight super hit chignon article which is going to look like this. If you focus on the yoke part पे you are going to get full detailed real mirror work with a sweet tassel attached to it. The you are going to get like a butter crepe again lining inside it, and again sleeves are going to look like this. The designer sleeves are there with portly buttons attached to the sleeves end part. Chiffon का दुपट्टा आएगा इसके साथ which is going to look like this, and again the pants are going to be on silk fabric which is going to look like this. Afghani pants आएंगी. Afghani pants के if you focus on the end part you are going to get again a chignon patch attached. Size availability L to XXL again and price range is going to be 1995 for this article. Also guys, if you want to buy in wholesale you can also contact us on WhatsApp. We'll be happy to cater you over there again. Next article is going to be over lavender color. If you focus on the yoke part you are going to get a thread embroidery of Lucknowi, and the sleeves are going to be bell sleeves with a full detailed flower work done to it. This comes with like a multi crochet lacing done to the whole part, and fully scalloped hem part is going to be there with like a flower thread embroidery. You're going to get cotton mull lining attached. The fabric for this one is like soft muslin, and again the pants are going to look like this. Pants can part maybe if you guys focus you are going to get this type of a pattern. Size availability L to XXL and price range is going to be 2195 for this. Next, this article is going to be on cotton silk. The color is like a sky blue tone color. If you focus on the yoke part पे you are getting like a thread embroidery done again with like a sequence zari work. The lining is going to be this one. The cotton mull lining is going to get in this article, And again pants, similar cotton silk pants are going to be there with like a shivori print dupatta which comes with this. Good thing about this one is this comes in like medium to triple XL, which is 46 as well, and price range is super nominal 1395, 1395. Next article is going to be this article. This is like a full zari print article. If you focus on the yoke part, full, you are going to get like a full detailed zari print and zari work over it, and the sleeves are again going to be this, and the sleeves end part you are going to get like a zari detailed work. Dupatta again has like a full zari work done to it, and again lacing of the zari. The pants are going to look like this. The fabric for this one is super soft silk, and the size available is, I guess, M and L, and price range is going to be 1950 for this article. Last but not the least, this is going to be the article which is like a light pink color. Yoke part, if you focus, you are going to get like a full thread embroidery done, and the pants are going to look like this for this one, with like a full detailed crochet lacing attached. Dupatta is very super elegant for this one, like which is going to be on organza fabric with like a full thread embroidery done to it. Size availability 40 to 46, which is L to triple XL, and price range is going to be 2195. That's it for the video, guys. Again, thank you so much. Keep supporting us, and thank you for watching the video.